So I think it's about time to get into shape. And lucky for me, I have a spin bike here with a large 21.5-inch big screen, also a big speaker, and connection points to mirror your phone. But also has app control where you can follow paths around the world and join spin classes. So I want to look at this from a design, quality, and tech point of view.
Bluetooth mode.
Not whether it's gonna make me lose weight or not, because, that's a mental motivational thing, which honestly, I would love to have and need to have, and this might be the tool that helps me get to that, but also making it fun and easier to track my progress, and at a really good price point. So let me show you the Yesoul G1M Plus spin bike.
Mr. Black.
And by the way, welcome to the channel where I love to share with you cool gear that comes my way. Not just small camera gadgets, but also projects that can benefit your life and well-being. Now, Yesoul did send the spin bike to me so that I could test out the features, play around with it, and share my experience and the quality with you guys. And I was really excited to receive something like this because I need it, but at the same time, I'm also very hesitant with spin bikes because they could be very flimsy and just a poor build quality, unless you're willing to spend like thousands of dollars. But this one coming in around $500 US is actually really heavy duty. It's not flimsy at all, and you could save even more with the exclusive discount code that they're giving you guys, plus even free shipping. So this is extremely cost effective. It comes all packed away in this box, and it's pretty simple to put together, although it might be easier with a second person. The instructions are simple to follow, easy to assemble, and here it is. From every aspect, it looks quality. It's got water bottle holders and easy to adjust seat levels and heights, and the pedals are perfect for gripping. And the seat's actually very comfortable. It's cushy on your butt, just making it easy for longer rides. It has this red knob on here where you can spin it, and it actually puts more resistance on the wheel. It has little wheels on the front, so you can lift it up and move it around if you need to, like tuck it away when you're not using it. I mean, you could set this on a rug, but the grips on the bottom are actually great for non-slip as well. So you can have this on any surface. It's gonna protect your floor and it's not gonna slip around even if you're pedaling fast. And then we power it on and check out this huge screen and speaker system. On the back, you can see it's got ports connecting to the bike and the speaker, but also a cord that connects to your phone, which will automatically mirror your phone onto the screen. And then you can connect to their app. That way you can get all the info on the screen, plus anything you wanna watch. I love watching YouTube videos. Vegas Matt is a guilty pleasure of mine, and it's fun to sit on the bike and have him on like in a smaller screen, and see the stats that I wanna see or any other videos helping me feel motivated to keep pedaling. You can pop into a class and test your strength. Sometimes you just need that extra push to help you get motivated, and a class is a great way to do that. You jump in there and they're gonna push you a lot harder than you're gonna push yourself, and that's a good thing. But I also love to pop a little fan on the top like this one right here, and then I can go riding around different paths around the world. They have a bunch of different ones that you can choose from, and you can immerse yourself in it and feel like you're actually riding the bike, and that takes your mind off of it being a workout, and you can actually enjoy the experience. And with the screen, you can angle it up or down or side to side if you need to, just for your own best viewing. Will it make you lose weight? Absolutely. I mean, if this is sitting in your home and you can motivate yourself to wake up and just do 10 minutes a day in the morning and then see how you go. After a little while, that's gonna become easier. And over time, that will help you lose weight. But again, that comes from up here, not just from a spin bike itself. You gotta be the one pedaling it. But having a quality machine with all of these options on it will make it a lot easier for you to want to get on the bike and use it. Another question is the app worth it? Because you do have to pay a little bit extra per month or per year to get all of the classes. And that's not just for cycling. You can also use them for running and yoga, strength training, cardio, and even boating. It gives you day-to-day challenges and easy to keep track of your progress and share it off. But a lot of those classes are a lot more fun. You can get your cardio in and really lose a lot of that fat. But the point of this video is the quality. And again, I've hesitated many times to get something like this because I've seen them in the past being very flimsy, and you get on it, it's just not great quality, especially like compared to ones that are at the gym. And this has the quality to it. And my job on this video is not to sell you this. I just want to show you that this is out there and what kind of quality it is. And at this price point, that's really, really good. So if you're at the point where you just need to start getting into shape and you're looking for a good reason to do that, this might be it. For me, I need to start getting into the routine of doing this every morning. And after a month of that, you're gonna be surprised at the results. But you'll be seeing the progress, and I'll be posting some of that progress on some of the shorts and in the community posts here on the channel. So stay tuned for all of that. Plus, I have some more cool gear to share with you on this channel as well. Check out one of these videos on the screen if you wanna see some other cool gear, and I'll see you there.